To replace the midsection number 1 panel, we will first need to remove the cushions from the couch. Pull upwards on the kickboard to unfurl the couch into the bed position.
With it fully deployed, push all cushions flat.
There are several ways to access the nuts and bolts securing midsection 1. For ease of viewing, I will be tipping the couch onto its side to better show the process. There are 4 nuts we will need to unscrew to remove the panel. The bolts they are attached to slide inside a channel that allows for the adjustment and positioning of the new section. It's recommended to mark the position of the nuts so that we can reinstall the cushion in the same place. With a 1/2 inch deep well socket, remove the 4 nuts. Remove the old section. Insert the new midsection. Align the new midsection 1 panel in the same position as the old one was marked. Hand tighten the nuts to avoid any cross-threading, then complete the seating using a ratchet to snug the nuts without over-torquing. Repeat the process on the opposite side. Lower the couch back to the ground. Stow the couch to verify none of the sections are inhibiting one another with the new installation. Return the cushions to the couch.